architect's point, I want to say two things. One is that we are losing so much of history. This is a very tangible piece of history. We can see it, and our future generations should also be able to see it. Let's not lose it. Save it while we can. One more thing that might go in the development of the highway is the Vadakade tree. The Vadakade is actually like a landmark. It's not just a historical landmark. It's our environmental heritage also. So that is another tree also in this area which we need to protect and find a way to basically protect whatever is coming in the way. Even when there is a dead body, we don't just walk over it, right? We have to find ways of skirting it. We give some kind of a dignity to it. All these pieces, trees, monuments like this, they have a dignity, they have an integrity. They have been part of the race that was before us. It has to continue in the future also. We have to find ways to protect it.
And also would suggest that being press the report of yourself. You have a responsibility of maintaining and providing awareness to the future. See what kind of adequacy we have lying around. And Prajal is always, Prajal Babu is already there to give you information about the Eastern Power. So please try to create some help.
So तुमकां त्या वडाचे
वाचोवपाचो प्रयत्न करपाक जाय. कित्याक जाणा फ्लायओवर आमकां ओपोज ना. फ्लायओवर हांगा बॉटल नेक ट्रॅफिक जाता. इज द ट्रॅफिक फ्लायओवर इज निडेड. सो वायल कन्स्ट्रक्टिंग द फ्लायओवर हे जे मॉन्युमेंट्स आसा आतां ते कपेल दॅट वॉज नॉक्ड ऑफ. इट इज अ व्हेरी सॅड थिंग दॅट वी लॉस्ट दॅट चॅपल. आतां हे व्हडा कडेन जे झाड आसा आनी हे आसा हो मॉन्युमेंट आसा आनी आतां आमी चॅक करतले आनी ते वाचोवपाचो प्रयत्न जावपाक जाय. इट शूड बी सेव्ड. दीस इज अ रेअर हिस्टॉरिकल मॉन्युमेंट. हे आमची हेरिटेज. सो दॅट हॅज टू बी सेव्ड. That is why we are invited press to support us in this particular thing. That this is part of street furniture. Those landmarks have to be saved, and this is a landmark commemorating the construction of a road in 1910, linking Panjim with Mapsa. And मागीर renovate जाल्लो in 1935.
तुम्ही ह्या विशयाचे परवरचे आमदार आहात ताका बीन मेळटले सांगपाक.
हांवें मॅसेज धाडल्या टू परवरीचो आमदार Bob Rohan Kaute, and he had asked me to share valuable inputs which I have shared with him. So he will definitely support us, I feel, in this saving this monument.
हायवे बांदतना वयतलो अशें सांगला. हायवे बांदतना वयतलो अशें सांगला डेमो.
अशें आमकां वरी जाता वतलो म्हणून कित्याक ते चॅपल मोडलें न्ही दॅट इज. सो दीस मे ऑल्सो गो, बट दीस हॅज टू बी सेव्ड बिकॉज दीस इज अ रेअर लँडमार्क. इनफॅक्ट ह्या स्टॉपाकूच गुळ्या कडेन म्हणटात बिकॉज ऑफ गुळो दॅट वॉल फिनियल आसा ताजे खातीर. सो अश्यो ज्यो हिस्टॉरिकल मॉन्युमेंट्स आसा ते आमी प्रिजर्व करून दवरपाक जाय. ह्यो रेअर लँडमार्क. दीस इज नॉट अ रिलिजियस स्ट्रक्चर ऑर एनीथींग लायक दॅट. इट इज अ कॉमेमोरेटिंग ऑफ द कन्स्ट्रक्शन ऑफ अ रोड.
स्ट्रक्चर समज फाल्यां डेमोलिश करचे आनी दुसरे कडेन समज व्हरून दवरलो डेमोलिश न करता.
म्हणजे आतां ते शांतीने स्ट्रीट झाड कट केला आनी ते दुसरे कडेन व्हरून प्लांट केले. तशें समज हो समज हे काडलो आनी दुसरे कडेन.
Just now, architect Andaga was also saying the same thing, that worst to worst, म्हणजे जर ते फ्लायओवरा खातीर जर हे करपाक जाय, इट शूड नॉट बी डिमॉलिश. वी आर अपीलिंग टू द प्रेस. हे बेसिकली ताच्या खातीर की इट शूड नॉट बी डिमॉलिश, इट शूड बी प्रिजर्व. मे बी सम एट अदर प्लेस इट कुड बी रिलोकेटेड अराउंड दीस. दीस इज कमेमोरेटिंग द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ रोड न्ही, तर खंयी लोकेट करपाक जाता, बट इट शूड बी रिलोकेटेड अँड प्रिजर्व एज अ हिस्टॉरिकल हेरिटेज रेलिक. बिकॉज मोडपाक जायना. इतलेंच आमचें अपील. वी आर नॉट ओपोज टू फ्लायओवर. वी आर नॉट ओपोज टू रिलोकेशन ऑल्सो, बट इट हॅज टू बी प्रिजर्वड. इतलेंच आमी म्हणटा.
कितें आसता न्ही आतां एलिवेटेड रोड बांदता कोणाक खबर ना की कसो बांदतलो. तेजे मिडल सेंट्रल कॉलम्स आसतले काय लेफ्ट रायटाक तेजे कॉलम्स आसतले कोणाक खबर ना. एटलीस्ट इफ दे कॅन रिलीज एन आर्टिकल ऑर दी प्रोविजन्स की कशें जातले खंय येतले एटलीस्ट आमकां कितें तरी एक आयडिया करून मेळटा की आतां कशें तरी अरावंड इट करूंक शकता. इट कॅन बी पार्ट ऑफ इट, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. कित्याक तेका हात लावपाक म्हणल्यार ते आनीक डिफिकल्ट मोडले ते गेले व्हॅल्यू तितलो गेलो. आनी अशें कितें एक वस्तू मोडून गेली काय आमचें उरलें कितें.
चडशे लोकांक खबर ना अबाउट दीस मॉन्युमेंट. कित्याक सायडीन पडटा तो ओके कॅरेच्या सायडीन. हे जे लोकल्स आसा तांकां खबर आसा बस स्टॉपाक गुळ्या कडेन म्हणटाले. बस हांगा थांबताली आनी गुळ्या कडेन म्हणटाले ते बस स्टॉपाक. पूण बाकीच्या लोकांक गोंयचे खबर ना अशे मॉन्युमेंट्स आशिल्ले जे म्हाका दिसता सेव करपाक जाय. हांगाच आसपाक जाय तो. But in case if it needs to be moved from here, it is to be relocated, but should not be demolished like the chapel has been demolished. Yeah. Thank you very much for supporting the cause of heritage always. ही प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेतल्या आमी तीग जाणांनी. इज माय फ्रेंड एक्टिविस्ट सिडनी फर्नांडीस, दिस इज आर्किटेक्ट अनगा फर्नांडीस, एंड आय एम प्रज्वल साखरदंडे. प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स हाजे खातीर घेतल्या टू क्रिएट अवेरनेस अबाउट दीस मॉन्युमेंट. ह्या मॉन्युमेंटाक लोकली गुळो म्हणटात बिकॉज इट इज क्राउंड बाय अ बॉल फिनियल, म्हणून ताका गुळो म्हणटात. आनी इट इज लोकेटेड ऑन द हायवे linking road from Panjim to Mapsa next to Okokero. Okay, so आता ते flyover construct करतले. We are not opposed to the flyover because flyover is the need of the hour. Flyover is needed, but while they are constructing it, we are requesting the concerned authorities to save this Gulo, this monument, the historical monument. It was originally built in 1910, renovated in 1935. And it was built by the Serula Comunidad, which was the biggest comunidad in Goa. And it was built to commemorate the construction of a road linking Panjim with Mapsa during Portuguese times. And it was inaugurated originally on 25th November 1910, which was 400 years of the conquest of Goa by the Portuguese. So then in 1935 it was renovated, and there is an inscription on it which says that which talks about the history of this monument. आणि हो गुळो लोकली हाका गुळो म्हणटात आनी तो वाचून दवरपाक जाय. इट हॅज टू बी सेव्ड बिकॉज वायल कन्स्ट्रक्टिंग द फ्लायओवर दे मायट ओवरलूक इट, अँड दॅट इज वाय जस्ट टू क्रिएट दॅट अवेरनेस दॅट दीस मॉन्युमेंट नीड्स टू बी सेव्ड. ताज्या खातीर वी आर मिटींग हियर. सो दॅट डे वन चॅपल वॉज नॉक्ड ऑफ हियर. या येस. सो तेन्ना म्हाका सिडनीन त्या चॅपला बद्दल सांगलें आनी इट वॉज लास्ट मिनीट. वी डीड नॉट नो वॉट टू डू आनी त्या दिसूच कळ्ळें तें, दॅट वॉज ऑलरेडी नॉक्ड ऑफ. सो देन सिडनी सेड दॅट गुळो नीड्स टू बी सेव्ड. So next the Gulo might go. So that is why we want to save this. So I request Sydney and Anaga to speak to the...
Basically, Professor Prajal is the history professor. He teaches about history, about events that took place in Goa previously in the back of the previous years. So to have such kind of evidence is what history can be cooperated. This is a vestige of history which is lying here, which is there, present. It tells us about history, what happened in the previous year. So we have to preserve it for posterity. Flyovers will come, but new and old has to work together. And for the people further, for posterity, whoever the future generations, to know what happened 400 years back, this is an evidence which can be helping them to know and conduct how it can be worked out. It has to be saved. Somehow it should not be threatened, and it is like basically a kind of a piece of history that is lying there, which we have to protect. That's it.